Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve stunning chrome French nails. First, ensure your nails are perfectly prepped. This means cleaning, filing, and gently buffing the surface for optimal adhesion. Next, apply a thin, even layer of gel base coat, curing it under your UV or LED lamp for about 60 seconds. Then, select a beautiful nude or soft pink gel polish for your base color, applying 2 thin coats and curing each one thoroughly. After your base color is perfectly cured, it's time for a crucial step, the no-wipe gel top coat. Apply a thin, even layer over the entire nail surface. This specific type of top coat is essential because it leaves a tacky layer after partial curing, which is exactly what the chrome powder needs to adhere beautifully. Cure this layer for about 30 to 45 seconds, ensuring it's mostly dry but still slightly tacky to the touch. Now for the magic. Using a small silicone applicator or even your fingertip, gently pick up a tiny amount of chrome powder. Carefully rub this powder onto the tacky surface of your nail tip, creating that crisp French line. The key is to apply light pressure and buff it in until you see that gorgeous metallic shine appear. Once satisfied, use a soft, clean brush to meticulously dust away any excess powder from your nail and surrounding skin. To protect your stunning chrome French nails and ensure their longevity, apply a final, generous layer of no-wipe gel top coat. Make sure to cap the free edge of your nail with this top coat. This crucial step helps prevent chipping and seals the chrome powder securely. Cure this final layer under your UV or LED lamp for a full 60 seconds, or according to your lamp's instructions, for a durable, high-shine finish. Enjoy your beautiful, long-lasting chrome French manicure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.